Dr. Solomon Gafawo Saiguru Ukirabasajja.
Omukoro gwo kujiguraho omu butongore gwakorerwa hari Coping Hotel kandi gwahikwaho abebitinisa bingi abarimu Bishop wa Bunyoro Kitara owahumwire na Sani Kyamanywa abanyabutegeki hamwe n'abandi.
Ekisa nisa matiyaka sayija akusawa kyetu nti rediyo tugiye kuongeze omumobilizinga abantu omukwekulaakulaniza bakaluga omulunaku. I don't know if Dr. will help me and translate for Don. You're following.
Omuhikirwa w'obukama bwa Bunyoro Kitara Andrew Kirungi byakutaga owabari omugenyi mukuru yasima munonga company ya Vision Group ahabwo koreta omukora gwa radio omucyanga eki oguherize abana bawe emirimo.
We also want to appreciate the Vision Group for naming this radio station after our legendary king and our hero. Thank you very, very much. I would like to call upon the team, the management team of Kabalega FM, really to keep the legacy of New Vision, of Vision Group in disseminating reliable information.
So, yagamba ekikusemba yo alo abagenda kujja muri diji kibalizamu bw'araba atungira akanya ayongere ebigambo bye.
Byakutaga yashaba management ya Kabalega FM okugumana ecuminteriza amakuru hamwe n'ebindi ebarukuhereza abahurikiza.
And the establishment of Kabalega FM is in line with His Royal Highness's vision of a prosperous and great Bunyoro Kitara kingdom. That was his vision 5 years ago when he told us to go out and change how we are doing things as Bunyoro Kitara kingdom. So we would like to pledge that we work together with you, with Kabalega FM, to ensure that His Royal Highness's vision.
Don Innocent Wanyama orukura company ya Vision Group yashobora ngo rediyo neija kusyaho obutumwa bwo kutungura ecyanga kurabira program zayo ezirukwegesa.
So for a long time we had desired to set foot directly in Bunyoro and not just contribute but be a part of the socio-economic transformation that is happening in this part of the world. Kabalega FM becomes the 7th radio station under Vision Group. But for now, our approach is to make sure that we have a radio station, and therefore my brother Amlan and the Lord Mayor of the city, I want to assure you that once Kabalega FM has stabilized, being the visionaries that we are, it won't be long before we shall be inviting you to launch Kabalega TV.
Kutwegesa bingi ebyokulolera enyikana yaitu ey'omunsi ebya culture ejja kuba netwegesa ebintu bingi kandi tujja kulagana bulungi n'abantu boona aba Bunyoro. Mukama waitu Kabalega akaba mukama atasoroora. Abasirikale babandi barugaga eruguru, abandi barugaga mu Kongo, nahabwekyo Bunyoro kurugeera ekabeeri etangira abantu boona. Radio yaitu ejja kuba nekozesebwa kwombeka abantu ba Bunyoro boona takufayo mahanga gaabo.
Kabalega FM ekitukuranganisa abahuliriza baitu eri content ejja kubombeka. Radio eroho radio titugwenda kutera ku television bizina birungi for entertainment titukwenda kutumira nanka no tukwenda kuhereza abantu information runda amakuru agaraba konyera kuombeka.
Abebembezi abari mu chairman wa Kikube Peter Bananura hamwe na meya wa Hoima Brian Kaboyo nabo hine ebagamba.
2025 is being actualized today by unveiling Kabalega FM here.
Vision Group, thank you for bringing Kabalega station in the city, and thank you for choosing Kabalega when we are celebrating 100 years of Kabalega. So we want to appreciate you.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.